Hey friend, welcome. I'm Scott and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. Is this Summer Love, the July 2025 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop, or not? I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I'm so grateful you decided to join me for this unboxing of the July 2025 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Oh, what can I say, you guys? It's another month, another Sew Sampler Box, something else to share with you, and I'm excited to do so. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm not going to read the write-ups that are in the box. I'm just going to go through with it with brand new eyes, as if I didn't know, or if I did know what the items were, and just share my thoughts with you. I want to try something a little bit more organic. I did this in 2024 with some of my other videos just to give it a shot. So welcome to my comfy couch with my little friend here. I'm still not in my craft room. I'm trying so hard to get there. It just is a struggle. I have started to move things into place, but now I have to rearrange the way I have my sewing table. Eventually, we will be in there and we will be doing some fun projects together. And I want to do my first live on YouTube, so I'm really excited about that. Another cute thing, my mother surprised me last month on my birthday with a Labubu. These things make me laugh. Aren't they fun? Hi, Labubu. My mother has named him. Actually, it's a her. All the Labubus are female, okay? We have named her Bean because she's Sesame Bean in the macaron collection. Isn't she cute? I want to kind of give her some work in my craft room. Maybe I'll have her hold a seam ripper. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, say hi to Bean. I got this little outfit. It's handmade from Amazon. It's super cute. It's got a little pouch on there that says love. You know, because Labubus are full of love. They're so cute. So before we get to the unboxing, I do want to let you know that these boxes are $29.99 plus tax and shipping. For me in Wisconsin, that comes to around $36 plus or minus some cents. And they are really good in value because what you get is usually around $65 to $85 in product. I do have to say the curators for the Sew Sampler Box do an amazing job for Fat Quarter Shop. I've always been happy with every single one of my boxes. But I do want to let you guys know that I will probably discontinue my Sew Sampler subscription in December of 2025, just to put it on a pause. I have a lot of notions and fabric pre-cuts from all of the boxes I've had over the years, and because my channel hasn't grown big enough, I'm not able to do giveaways yet. I would so love to get there, but until that happens, I'm gonna have to put a pause on these fabulous notions and pre-cuts and use what I have and give them as gifts to my friends and family, which is what I like to do already. If you'd like to get the word out that the Quilting Camper is a thing, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave comments below, and share my content. If we get the Quilting Camper out there in the real world, we can get more visibility. I might be able to grow this channel to the point where I'm able to do giveaways, which is something I've always wanted to do. Always, always, always. So, is the 2025 July Sew Sampler Box Summer Love or not? Let's find out. Okay, on the inside flap, there's always a coupon code for something this month. It's 15% off of Aurifil thread. That's a great deal. And we love our Aurifil, don't we? And of course, we get our cute little leaflet, which I'm not gonna read, but I will tell you what the prices of the items are. And the first item in this box is a spool of Aurifil thread. And this is Seabiscuit. This is a nice big spool of thread. I love these large spools. My favorite color is color 2000, but this is a nice off-white creamy color that I think I might want to try. And I don't have this color in my stash, so I'm excited to check it out. And that is going for $13.98. I go through about one of these every year on average. And like I said, I use color 2000, but I think this might be a nice change. Yeah. So the next item in this box is one of my favorite things that we use all the time when we're doing our bindings. And that is the Wonder Clips by Clover. And look at how beautiful they are. They're in pink. And I'm gonna say this retails for $6.98. Yep, $6.98. Look at how pretty they are. Just really love it. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but on each Wonder Clip, there is markings on the clear side of where your 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/2 inch seam allowance is. I learned that from another YouTuber, and I had one of those Oh my gosh moments. I couldn't believe it. Check it out. We can always use these, but I really like the pink. I think I have some green, so pink and green. You know I love my green. But this always adds value to the box. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for putting this in this month's box. The next item in this box is a friction pen. You know, we can always use these, but black is not my favorite one, you guys. And by the way, it retails for $1.98. The reason why I don't like the black friction pen is if you accidentally leave it on an exposed part of your fabric and you take it off with some heat, it removes it. But if you go into a really ice cold area, especially in the wintertime, a faded yellow may appear where the marking used to be. I always say test your fabric with these markers before you put them on your project. I do not use friction pens for any part of my project that's exposed. I always hide it into the seam allowances or where I'm trying to trace things. Like when I do my Dresdens, I mark this on the inner seams where I'm sewing, and when I flip it inside out, nobody sees it. These are really great, but I prefer pink and I prefer blue. The black can leave a residue, but always test these on a fabric before you actually do your project. That's the best thing I can say. I do love friction pens, but black is not my go-to color just because of that yellow risk. We don't want that. And of course, what would be a Sew Sampler box without the block of the month? And this block is super pretty, you guys. If you want to do the block of the month, you can always go to Fat Quarter Shop and download these for $4.98. But we get them in every single Sew Sampler box. And then of course, every Sew Sampler box gets an exclusive pattern by the Fat Quarter Shop, and this is Serenade, featuring this month's fabric. These retail for $9.98. It also has a table runner option as well, and I love that. What we always wait for in Sew Sampler boxes is the fabric cut, right? Don't you agree? I know I'm being really goofy. Romantica Curator Fat Quarter Bundle by AGF Studio for Art Gallery Fabrics. This set of 8 fat quarters, known as Romantica, is a stunning selection from the Curator collection that will take your breath away, featuring delicate floral designs by AGF Studio for Art Gallery Fabric. It combines gentle petals and blossoms with modern texture and style. With the premium soft silky smoothness for Art Gallery fabrics, this collection is bound to sweep you off your presser feet. Valued at $29.48. I love that. Sweep you off your presser feet. You can always rely on Fat Quarter Shop for making the cutest write-ups in here. I'm going to show you what these colors look like right here. Aren't those fabrics beautiful? There's like a subtle softness and pasteliness for it that's perfect for a hot summer, just like it is right now. So seeing those nice soft pastel fabrics really kind of brings you that smooth feeling of calm and serenity, and I do appreciate that. It's been a long time since we've had Art Gallery fabrics in this box. So what do you guys think? Was this summer love for the July 2025 Sew Sampler box? I'm not sure. I feel like it's missing something. I don't know, what are your feelings? Leave a comment below. The value came out to $67.38, which is a great value. And I do like the fabric, even though it's not my style. I kind of like the soft pastels. It almost has like an antique look about it. So I'm kind of warming up to it. At first I wasn't happy. But I definitely love the thread. That spool of Aura Thrill won my heart over. And of course we've got binder clips in pink from Clover. I really love those too. The friction pen in black, well, I'll test it on fabric to make sure it doesn't leave a yellow stain when the fabric gets cold. And of course the patterns. The Serenade pattern is really cute, but it's not my style. It might make a nice gift. What do you guys think? Is this a summer love or maybe not so much? The wonderful thing is that I'm not an affiliate with Fat Quarter Shop in any way or form, so I can deliver my honest feelings about these boxes with you. I do think that the Sew Sampler box is the best value in a Notions quilting box you'll ever find out there for the price that you're paying. If you get a box that's not totally your jam, it's okay. I could totally gift this Fat Quarter bundle to someone that would absolutely love it. And for that reason, it's worth it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna make it a wrap. say bye to Bean. Until next time. Remember, everybody, if you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave comments. Make sure that we're getting the message out that sharing kindness is a wonderful thing. We need more kindness in the world. I think you would agree with that. Giving anything that you make with your hands comes from the heart, and it makes a difference in everything that we do. And don't forget about my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center. They are Bernina experts. And let me tell you, if you're looking for a machine or a long arm, make sure you reach out to them. They are the best resource in the Bernina world here in the state of Wisconsin. They also have an incredible selection of unique fabrics, linens, cottons, all sorts of prints from K-Facet and Tula. They also have a huge selection of Sue Spargo wool work, and I have never found a button there that I didn't like. Make sure you check out their website in the information below, and they're only a phone call away, so please check them out. Thank you so much for joining me today here on the Quilting Camper. Until we see you on the next one, bye for now. And the first item in this box is a spool of Aura Thrill. Let's have some Aura Thrills, you guys. Aura Thrill. That's a great name. You know, the Mad comic strip gum packs, they would always have wacky words. I think they were called wacky packs or something. There we go. Aura Thrill. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.